Bonjour, mon nom c'est Liam Paull. Je suis professeur adjoint dans le Département d'informatique et recherche opérationnelle à l'Université de Montréal. Et nous sommes dans le carrefour pour notre expo Duckietown. Duckietown is a scaled-down autonomous vehicle research and education platform. It was developed at MIT in 2016 for the purposes of teaching a class. And now, this past fall, we've taught the class again at University of Montreal, it was also synchronously taught at ETH Zurich and at the TTIC Institute in Chicago. And we used the platform to teach the students about the basics of robotics and autonomous driving, and also to do research in these areas. University of Montreal is the perfect place to do this kind of project. The standard of students in the Department of Zero are extremely high. The presence of the machine learning group, Mila, and also the proximity to local businesses here is a really perfect combination of things to really push forward the field of robotics and AI in general. For now, we're probably going to stick with the autonomous driving application, but in fact, we could target other applications. Another application that I thought that might be an interesting one to target would be the automated warehouse. For example, we've seen now with companies like Amazon, they're completely automating the picking and placing of objects and the packing of boxes in their warehouse. And so we could do a similar sort of low-cost robotics kind of application for that. So we've released all of the code and all of the designs for everything necessary to reproduce the class. And we're seeing that already start. So we have about 10 or 15 other institutions that are using the platform in various ways. The ducks are a very important part of the project. Although they seem like a little bit of a silly thing, I think that's part of the point. So originally when we were conceptualizing this class, we wanted to scale this down, and so we needed some kind of thing to be the citizens of our autonomous mobility on demand system. And what ended up happening, I think, is by picking the duck, which is somehow a universally accepted positive symbol that everybody tends to have positive feelings about, that we sort of tapped into something with the visual aspect of this project that makes it very appealing. And so we stuck with that symbol because it's sort of become a kind of compelling part of the project. Et je veux que le monde utilise le projet parce que je pense que ça peut devenir quelque chose de global qui est utilisé dans beaucoup d'universités et pour reproduire cette expérience.
Finally, can you give us your best quack?
Quack?
And now in French.
Quack.